Have you heard about how solid-state batteries could completely transform energy storage in 2026, potentially ending the reign of lithium-ion technology? Today, we are uncovering whether these next-generation batteries will revolutionize electric vehicles, portable electronics, and renewable energy storage, or if lithium-ion will somehow maintain its dominance. The promise of higher energy density, faster charging, and increased safety has tech enthusiasts buzzing worldwide. From cars to phones and even grid-scale storage, solid-state batteries could redefine how we power our lives. Stay till the end. Like, share, subscribe, and comment, because this breakthrough might be the most important innovation in energy in decades. 10. What are solid-state batteries? Solid-state batteries replace the liquid electrolyte found in lithium-ion cells with a solid material. This change eliminates leakage risks and makes batteries much safer. They can store more energy in the same size, meaning longer-lasting devices. Charging times can be dramatically reduced due to improved ion conductivity. Researchers are experimenting with different solid electrolytes like ceramics and polymers. The design is inherently more stable under extreme temperatures. This technology addresses key limitations of current lithium-ion batteries. Solid-state systems could become the backbone of electric mobility. 9. Advantages over lithium-ion technology. Energy density is higher, allowing devices to run longer without increasing size. Faster charging could cut electric vehicle recharge times from hours to minutes. Fire hazards and chemical leaks are drastically reduced, improving safety. Durability is increased, meaning more charging cycles and longer lifespan. Temperature tolerance makes batteries suitable for extreme environments. Smaller, lighter batteries could power drones, robotics, and wearables more efficiently. Manufacturers can integrate these batteries into more compact designs. The technology offers a significant leap in performance for consumer electronics and vehicles alike. 8. Impact on electric vehicles. Solid-state batteries could extend EV ranges beyond 600 miles per charge. Faster charging could reduce downtime for drivers significantly. Weight reduction improves vehicle efficiency and handling. Longer battery lifespan reduces replacement costs over time. Safety improvements may encourage wider adoption of EVs globally. Automakers are racing to integrate solid-state technology into new models. Energy recovery systems could be optimized with improved battery performance. EVs may become truly competitive with traditional internal combustion vehicles in range and convenience. 7. Challenges and limitations. Manufacturing solid-state batteries at scale remains a major hurdle. Materials for solid electrolytes can be expensive and difficult to source. Some designs are prone to mechanical stress, causing cracks over time. Temperature extremes still pose technical challenges in certain materials. Integration into existing devices and EV designs requires redesigning systems. Large-scale production must compete with the mature, cheap lithium-ion supply chain. Durability under real-world conditions is still under testing. Regulatory approval for new battery chemistries may slow adoption. 6. Industry and investment trends. Automakers and tech companies are investing billions into solid-state research. Startups are emerging with proprietary designs promising commercial viability. Partnerships between battery makers and EV manufacturers are accelerating innovation. Government grants and subsidies support research in safer and cleaner battery technologies. Pilot projects for consumer electronics and electric vehicles are already underway. Global competition could make solid-state batteries a key factor in technological leadership. Patents are being filed aggressively, signaling a competitive race. The coming years may see a major shift in battery manufacturing priorities. 5. Beyond vehicles. Grid storage and consumer electronics. Solid-state batteries could stabilize renewable energy grids by storing solar and wind energy efficiently. Portable electronics could become smaller, lighter, and longer lasting. Drones, wearables, and robotics could benefit from more compact energy solutions. Reduced thermal risk improves safety for home energy storage systems. Integration into smart homes could allow better energy management. Companies are exploring flexible and shape-conforming solid-state designs. The environmental impact may be lower due to longer battery lifespan. This technology may extend beyond transportation into everyday life in unexpected ways. 4. Competing technologies and alternatives. Other energy storage technologies like lithium-sulfur and sodium-ion are also in development. Flow batteries are considered for large-scale grid applications. Supercapacitors may complement or replace batteries in certain high-power applications. Solid-state batteries still need to prove cost-effectiveness against these alternatives. Some hybrid approaches combine solid-state electrolytes with lithium-ion for incremental improvements. Innovation in materials science could accelerate breakthroughs faster than anticipated. The global energy market is watching which technology will dominate the next decade. Adaptation depends on efficiency, cost, and scalability. 3. Environmental and sustainability considerations. Solid-state batteries could reduce reliance on cobalt and other environmentally damaging materials. Longer lifespan means fewer batteries disposed of, lowering electronic waste. Recycling and reuse methods are still under development for solid-state chemistry. Safety improvements reduce risks during transport and storage. Energy efficiency contributes to lower overall carbon footprint for EVs and electronics. Manufacturing processes must still be refined to minimize environmental impact. This technology may play a role in achieving global climate targets. Sustainable battery solutions are becoming a key competitive advantage in the industry. 2. Timeline for mass adoption. Experts predict commercial solid-state batteries could appear in high-end EVs within the next few years. Consumer electronics may see early integration within 2 to 5 years. Scaling manufacturing for mass market will take longer, possibly 5 to 10 years. Regulatory approvals, supply chain stabilization, and cost reductions are crucial. Early adopters will test performance under real-world conditions. Automotive and tech companies are prioritizing research to accelerate deployment. The transition may be gradual, with hybrid lithium-ion/solid-state solutions appearing first. By the end of the decade, solid-state may become mainstream in multiple industries. 1. The future of energy storage. Solid-state batteries have the potential to redefine energy storage across transportation, electronics, and grid systems. They promise higher performance, faster charging, increased safety, and reduced environmental impact. The technology could make renewable energy more practical and EVs more desirable. As mass production becomes feasible, lithium-ion may gradually phase out in certain applications. The next generation of batteries could transform how we interact with technology daily. Investments and research today will shape the power solutions of tomorrow. Consumers, automakers, and energy companies all have a stake in this evolution. Solid-state batteries may signal the beginning of a new era in how we store and use energy. If this opened your mind to the future of energy storage, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment what excites you most about solid-state batteries. Share this with someone interested in the next generation of technology powering our lives, because the energy revolution may arrive sooner than we think. More deep dives into futuristic tech and innovation are coming soon on this channel. Stay informed, stay energized, and I will see you in the next video.